Good morning, party people. Welcome. I'm gonna start my morning off by catching up on my lecture because I don't attend my 8 a.m. because it's recorded. What's the point? Oops. This video is sponsored by Hubble. I'm just kidding. It's just hard. It takes me about 45 minutes to get to school. Probably just gonna have to vlog on this thing because I'm trying to listen to music. This is gonna be so ratchet. Like I said, this is gonna be so ratchet. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna head out and I'm gonna show you my playlist. Hey, feeling good, like I should. I'm excited. Everyone at Davis drives a bike, and so oh that was fast. Hold up. This is the first available parking spot that I could have taken, and here I am. I hate disturbing people with my beep. It's so loud. Listen to this. It's so pretty. I ordered cookies from my friend. I'm so excited to try them out. Lab is always so much fun, and I'm taking this class even though I don't have to for my major, and it's not like an easy class, but look, got a petri dish. That made no sense, but here's me the next day. Gonna have to leave it open for 15 minutes and then grow it for a week. Brace yourselves, guys. It's been almost a week and this is what has happened. I'm gonna be so late. I'm 1 minute late. Somebody upstairs is singing their heart out. My life is pretty much not super stressful. It's just I didn't get half the classes that I wanted, so I'm gonna have to fix that. Thanks for coming along. I hope you have a beautiful rest of your day, and God bless.